Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So quick backstory, the other day I blow dried my hair and I decided that I wanted to see how it would look if I flat ironed it. So I went ahead and I used so much heat in my hair, and honestly I am so regretful right now. This is the state that my hair is in. It's dry, it's brittle, and it's just not acceptable. So I'm gonna do a protein treatment, and the protein treatment that I'm using is the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. So first things first, I went ahead and I wet my hair. Then I'm going in with a shampoo. When you're doing a protein treatment, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and clean. So you can use any shampoo. Honestly, the one that I'm using is the Weightless Hydration Coconut Water Shampoo. And after shampooing, I separated my hair in sections so that I can apply the first step. Now, this is the protein treatment, and when you're applying this to your hair, you want to make sure that you get all the strands. You want to make sure that you get all the strands. This is what's gonna add strength to your hair. So you want to make sure that you section your hair, especially if you have thick hair. You want to make sure that you section it and go through each section and apply as much as needed so that your hair is saturated with this product. And on the bottle it did say that you should detangle your hair, but to be honest, you don't want to do that because this thing makes your hair hard. It makes your hair so stiff. So the longer you have it in your hair, the harder your hair is going to become. So I just went ahead and I just rubbed it all in my hair and make sure that my hair was as saturated as possible without detangling my hair, because that will cause your hair to break off. It's getting harder by the minute, so you don't want to be detangling and tagging on your hair because that's going to cause your hair to break off. All right, and the next step is to apply heat. You want to go under a hooded dryer if you have one, but if you don't, that's completely fine. I didn't, so I went ahead and I used a blow dryer, and I made sure that I was applying heat all over my hair. And so this is what my hair is looking like after applying heat. My hair is stiff, so stiff. It's so crazy. My hair was as hard as a rock. Okay, so then the next step after applying heat to your hair, you want to rinse your hair out with some warm water. This is important, guys. You have to make sure that you use warm water to rinse your hair. And my tip to you when you're rinsing your hair is to not detangle, because your hair is still in a hard state. So you don't want to be tagging on your hair because that can cause your hair to break off. And then now step 2 is to apply the moisturizer, and this is so important. This is an essential step. After applying all that protein and your hair is so hard, you want to make sure that you use that step 2, that moisturizer, because that's going to add elasticity to your hair and revive your hair so that it's not stringy and easy to break off. So I made sure that I went in with ample product. Listen, I separated my hair into 6 sections and I applied so much product. Every single strand of my hair was properly coated. No strand was left behind. So I went in and like I said, I sectioned my hair into 6 sections. I applied as much product as needed to each section, and I made sure that it was detangled, properly detangled. And then after doing that, I don't know how long you should let this stay in your hair because the instructions didn't say, but I just after detangling my whole head, I just went in and I rinsed all of that out. And trust me guys, this thing works like magic. Like, I could instantly feel the difference in my hair. It might not look different, but I'm telling you, if you do this, you will feel for yourself that your hair is immediately revived. All right, my hair was soft. It was so soft. I could run my fingers through my hair. It has elasticity. It was just so awesome. So if you have heat damaged, or if you have color damaged hair, if you have relaxed hair, if you have natural hair, you can definitely try this protein treatment. It works wonders for your hair. It's for all hair types, but it's especially for people that have damaged prone hair, if you're somebody that uses a lot of heat, you can definitely consider using this product. I'm going to be doing this every 2 months because you don't want to be using too much protein on your hair, because using too much protein can also damage your hair because it makes your hair so hard and stiff. So you don't want to be doing it too often. The instructions on the bottle says that you can do it every 6 weeks or so. So I'm just gonna play my game safe and do it every 2 months. So yeah, after completing those 2 steps, you can go ahead and style your hair as usual. You can even go ahead and condition your hair again as you would when you're washing your hair. If you feel the need to, you can do that, but I just feel as if the moisturizer did its job and my hair didn't need any more conditioning. So I'm not gonna style my hair today. I left my hair in those 6 sections, and I'm adding some leave-in conditioner and some coconut oil to sealing all that moisture, and I'm just gonna leave my hair like that overnight and then style it the next day. I'll leave the products in the description, the products that I'm using right now to moisturize my hair in the description if you guys want to check those out, if you guys want to use the same products as I do. But yeah, like I said, I left my hair in those 6 sections. I'm gonna be braiding the ends of those and pinning them away so that I can get maximum stretch out of my hair and then style my hair the next day. So my final thoughts on this product, I absolutely love this thing. So I'm gonna be doing this, like I said, every 2 months or so. This thing works like magic. When I tell you that my hair was dry and brittle, it was dry and brittle. You could see it for yourself, but then afterwards, trust me, my hair was so soft. I could run my fingers through my hair. It had elasticity. My curls were back. Oh my god, this thing is magic. So yeah, this is the next day. Your girl did a twist out and all these things, and this is the way my hair is looking. Oh, by the way, I will be dropping the twist out tutorial very soon, so don't sweat it. I got you. I'll be dropping the video very soon on how I achieved this look. If you guys liked this video, if you found it informational, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.